Hey, do you want to learn Chinese fast, tough, and accurate? And this video is for you. 欢迎回来看我的视频。Let's start it now. Let's go over with our homework from last video, okay? This is from Bible, so I use Bible to teach. Okay, this is from Matthew chapter 1:18. Before 18, they are all names, so I skip names because we want to learn the language, right? Okay, so this is 18. Here, 耶稣 is Jesus. 基督 is Christ. 降生降 is drop. 生 is give a birth. 生 的 is off. 是 is things. 记 is recording. 在 is in. 下 is under. 面 is side or surface. 耶稣基督降生的事记在下面。耶稣基督降生的事记在下面。第18句话，成语，与众不同，与众不同。Okay, it's 与 is give, 众 is public, 不 is no, 同 is same. 与众不同 it means different from the rest, out of the ordinary. This is a whole sentence, so that's why I break up. I don't want too much for you guys. So today we're going to learn this part. 他母亲 Mary 已经许配了 Joseph 还没有迎娶 This is Mary 就从圣灵怀了孕。他母亲 Mary 已经许配了 Joseph 还没有迎娶。Mary 就从圣灵怀了孕。Let's write this Chinese. 他母亲已See, before we learn another word is like this. Is 己 myself. So the word. Look at this a little different. So will be different meaning. Okay. See, because here the little come out, but this one is not. So. 经许配了 Joseph. I'm not going to write the Joseph. 还没有迎We called this part is 走之边取This is a female. 就从圣灵怀了孕。Okay, I leave you guys read, okay? 他母亲 Mary 已经许配了 Joseph 还没有迎娶 Mary 就从圣灵怀了孕。他母亲 Mary 已经许配了 Joseph 还没有迎娶 Mary 就从圣灵怀了孕。Let's learn our 成语。Okay, 力不从心，力不从心。I'll give you a little clue. This is the heart, so it's our heart. 力不从心，力不从心。Let's write our 成语。力不从心。This 成语 means powerless. Homework time. Okay, homework. If you first time watch my video and you need to download a translator to help you to learn, okay? Translate each single word except names. I mean, I don't want to use Chinese. It's too much for you. Okay. Read and write 30 times. It's just so important to build your vocabulary tough. Okay. Watch an hour Chinese TV series every day. It is very important too. They're all important. Okay, finally, and thank you for watching my video. Give me thumbs up if you like it. Put comments below. Remember to subscribe my channel so you don't miss my new videos. 下星期五见。